Okay, I think it's time we get into a little bit of Mother Nature here. So we are going to start out with a nice little circle, and we're going to draw some little circles all the way around. There you have it. That part is done. We're going to just draw kind of a curvy little line going down like this. And then we're going to do another kind of curved line right here. Then we're going to do a couple of lines coming right out of the side of this guy. And then I think we know what these are going to be. There we go. And of course we want to do a face here. So we're going to do just a couple of simple little eyes. Smaller circles this time, and with a nice big smile. There we go. That is very easy. Let's draw our big circle here. There we go. And now these little circles on the outside, these are going to be like the petals. Just basically follow these shapes on the outside. Don't have to be exact, but they are there just to be a guide for you so you know what you're doing. Because I need all the help I can get. Okay, one more of these guys. Okay, we could just knock out these eyes real quick. There you go. I always like to leave that little white dot in the center. Nice big smile. And let's bring this stem down. And here we go with the leaves on the sides. There we go, there's one. There's the other one. Do this little line here with a couple like little branches to show the inside of the leaf. And we're gonna do, this is the ground. We're gonna do a couple little things popping up to show we have grass here. And there you have it. You got your very own sunflower on a very nice day. And hopefully we have many more of those. So you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and we will see you again.